The Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development has commenced an enumeration exercise across the 25 local government areas of Niger State. It is aimed at capturing the exact number of children being fed in public schools in the state. Chinemi Bami reports.
National Homegrown School Feeding Program, NHGSFP, is a government-led 70 naira per day school feeding program. It is designed to improve the health and educational outcomes of pupils in public primary schools. It utilizes farm produce locally grown by small-scale commercial farmers to provide children nutritious midday meals on every school day. The program connects local farmers to the education sector by facilitating their access to the school feeding market. Of the over 3,000 public schools in Niger State, 2,600 are beneficiaries of the school feeding program. An enumeration exercise is flagged off in Boso and Chanchaga local government areas, which is currently being replicated across the 25 local government areas of Niger State. This exercise precedes the federal government's plan to upscale the provision of the school feeding program in order to capture more schools.
The federal government wants to give credibility to this program. Some people think that this is not happening or there is something else other than what you've seen today. But seeing is believing. You have seen that actually the children are being fed, the number of children are there, the food is there.
Yes, we've just started. So we are going to cover the whole state, get the physical data of each of the pupil, the head teachers and the cooks, so that we'll compare it with what we have and with what we've been paying for the feeding for.
Very delicious. I want them to help our school to make and running water here.
In spite of the successes recorded thus far, there are some complaints about the quality of food served to the children and the number of pupils that actually get fed. It is expected that the enumeration exercise will further improve monitoring and evaluation of the program. One of the goals of the school feeding program is to encourage more children to come to school. According to the focal person, without the school feeding program, you might not find majority of these children in school. And the enumeration exercise will enable the ministry to get real data and also upscale the number of schools that will be covered. It is expected that after this enumeration exercise, more schools will be captured. Chinemi Bami, TVC News, Mina.